Do you know what it takes to make a lush indoor garden at home? Some plants and nifty little tricks to make the best use of the limited space for that. Use shelves in a clever way. To make a green oasis, all you need are a group of shelves that you can cleverly use to put pots of different plants. This can be on the wall of a living or a bedroom, and you can also make this arrangement in a working space. Group plants together. Grouping plants together is a fantastic way to have a jungle vibe indoors. You can use tall plant stands, stools, cabinets, and other things of your liking to keep colored, variegated, and flowering plants together to make a lovely oasis. Hook pots to the walls. Don't have much space indoors? Not a problem. You can still create a beautiful green oasis by hooking pots on the wall as shown in the picture. This way, you can have a green vibe without wasting any floor space. Wrap vines all around. A simple and easy approach to having a green oasis in a small space is to wrap vining plants like pothos and philodendrons. You can cover the door frame, ceiling, walls, and windows for that forest vibe. Make a plant chandelier or hang them from a ceiling. Ditch the bulbs and embrace the plants. You can suspend a wooden board from a ceiling and then use that to hang plant pots. Mix and match plants. Mix and match plants of different types, like succulents, cacti, hanging vines, and display them using movable trays, plant baskets, and a large mirror to make a green oasis in any corner of the room. Elevate. Simply keeping the plants on the floor might be an old-school take on growing plants indoors. To make a green oasis, how about elevating the plants using plant stands? This way, the plants will stand out in the room. Dedicate a corner. Have a bland wall in a living room? Add a tall section of wooden stand and keep all your favorite plant pots on it. This will not only add greenery to the space, but will make that wall stand out as an oasis. Keep small pots on a circular dish for a mini oasis. Sometimes you don't need to have a floor or wall space to make a green oasis. So, how do you do it? Well, how about keeping pots on a circular wooden board? This way, you can have a mini plant oasis that can be moved anywhere. It can be a stunning addition to beds, tables, or anywhere you like. Go a little creative with furniture. Furniture opens plenty of opportunities where you can make things and space in your favor to display plants. This tall table cum stand is a great way to make use of a corner space where you can have a little oasis of your own. Don't miss the window shelves. Have a tall window? Well, cover it up with shelves and you'll have the best-looking oasis. Make sure you mix and match different plants, as the bright light will make it really easy for you to include plenty of specimens. Make a space for an indoor tree. There can be nothing better than having an actual tall tree indoors for that complete green oasis. You can make space for it in the corner, right next to tall windows where it can bask in plenty of sunlight. A working table right next to it will complete the look. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.